Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dropshipping product images not importing to Shopify. So if you are adding products from a dropshipping app or you are importing products from another website, but the product images are not showing inside your Shopify store, then I will show you what you can check and how you can fix it. This can happen when the image does not load correctly, the product import is not finished, the dropshipping app is not connected properly, or Shopify is not able to bring the images into your product page. So let's go through everything step by step. Step 1. Check if the product import is fully finished. The first thing you need to do is make sure the product has fully imported into Shopify. Sometimes when you import a product, the product title and description may show first, but the images may take a little longer to appear. So go to your Shopify admin. From the left side, click on Products. Now find the product you imported. Click on the product and look at the Media section. This is where the product images should appear. If the product images are missing, wait for a short moment and refresh the page. You can also go back to the products page, then open the product again. If the images still do not show after refreshing, then the import may not have been completed correctly. In that case, you can delete the product and import it again from your dropshipping app. Step 2. Check your dropshipping app. The next thing you need to check is the app you used to import the product. This can be apps like DSers, Zendrop, AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, or any other dropshipping app you're using. Go to Apps from your Shopify admin. Open the dropshipping app. Now find the product you tried to import. Before sending it to Shopify again, check if the images are showing inside the app first. If the images are already missing inside the app, then the issue is coming from the app or the product supplier. That means Shopify cannot import images because the app itself does not have the images ready. If the images are showing inside the app, try importing the product again. Make sure you do not close the page too fast while the product is being imported. Wait until the app says the product has been sent to Shopify. After that, go back to Shopify, open Products, and check the product again. Step 3. Make sure the images are selected before importing. Some dropshipping apps let you choose which images you want to import. So before you click Import, make sure the product images are selected. Open the product inside your dropshipping app. Look for the image area. You may see small boxes beside the images. Make sure the images you want are checked. If no images are selected, the app may import only the product name, price, and description, but not the images. So select the images first, then click Import, Push to Store, or Add to Shopify, depending on what your app says. Once the product is added, go back to Shopify and check the product page again. Step 4. Reconnect the dropshipping app to Shopify. If the images are still not importing, your dropshipping app may not be connected to Shopify properly. To check this, go to your Shopify admin. Click on Apps. Open your dropshipping app. Look for your store connection or store settings inside the app. If the app says your store is disconnected, connect it again. You may need to sign in to Shopify again and allow the app to connect to your store. After reconnecting, try importing the product again. This can fix the issue if the app was not sending the full product details to Shopify. So that is how you can fix dropshipping product images not importing to Shopify. Start by checking if the product import is finished. Then check your dropshipping app. Make sure the images are selected before importing. Reconnect the app if needed. Try importing one product first, and if the images still do not show, upload them manually or import the product again. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.